Upon NCRTs, we have already discussed. Hindu newspaper is discussed. My Malayalam literature optional, that is also discussed. Full-time preparation, what should be focused on? Strong foundation. Strong foundation, I will suggest you start with the NCRTs and the Hindu newspaper and build further upon that. Is it fine to refer IGNOU notes? Depends upon the subject. So some notes, for example, I have heard that history has some very good notes with IGNOU, and even society and the social issues. I have heard that IGNOU notes are good, but I cannot vouch on that. Did you have a different strategy for preparing for prelims and mains? See, prelims and mains are basically the same. It's not a different preparation. Same subject you are studying, same syllabus. Then why should you consider it as a different examination? The only thing is, in one you have to choose from the given options, and in the other you have to write a descriptive answer. That is the only difference. Otherwise, it is the same examination, same preparation strategy, and definitely there will be mock exam. Sorry, and definitely there will be mock examinations. That mock examinations will give you will help you devise an approach on writing the examination. Otherwise, everything is the same. You don't have to differentiate between prelims and mains. How much time did you spend in a day for civil service preparation? When I think about it, maybe the maximum time I might have spent is 6 hours in a day, nothing more than that. That's why I said I was teaching in like a couple of different academies in and around Trivandrum. So that is the time that I have spent in preparation daily, like 5-6 hours a day. That's it. That is the maximum time. And do you follow any timetable? Something timetable? Yes. Towards the exam date, I have made timetable. I had made timetables for revision. That's it. Because then it is very important. You will have to cover every subject, every topic. For that, timetables do help a lot. I have collected all materials for civil service examination, but preparation is not good. What do you mean by collecting all materials? There is nothing like all materials. That's why I said you will have to choose your specific sources. If you are collecting all the materials, the only thing that you will be doing is collecting more and more and more materials. You will not be studying them at all. So choose very few sources, very few materials, read them, understand them, study them, revise them. That should be your strategy. IFS not easy for a lady. That's absurd. That's bullshit. Who are they to decide what is good for a lady and what is not good for a lady? We won't have a good family life. Who said? I have a lot of my friends. And again, if a lady cannot have a good family life, the same is applicable for gents also, right? So why do you differentiate between the family lives of a lady and a gentleman? It's all the same. So the question is, are you ready to go beyond these social norms? Are you ready to go beyond these social conventions? Break them, in my opinion. That will make you a better human being. Else you will just be going after, you will just be abiding the rules that are set by the society, the conventions that are set by the society. So break these conventions, make your own way. Okay. At the interview, what are the major questions you have faced? I have given some samples and I have said to you already what are the kind of questions that can be expected. Nothing with respect to international relation, but sometimes you might not have chosen IFS at all, but still you can get a question from IR. There is nothing like that. It can be any question. Pursue my career in UPSC, how to stay motivated and consistency for UPSC preparation. Uh, well, that comes with time. That can only come with time, because nobody can be motivated right from the beginning. But you start preparation, the preparation will slowly make you feel interested. But again, some days will be really good. Some days you might feel a bit down. But the point is, the next day you again come up. So even if you are going down on a particular day, don't be bothered. Take a break, go with your friends, have fun. And that is very important. And I will suggest that to everyone who is going for a serious preparation, make sure that your life beyond your books is also given as much importance as you give for your preparation. You should have your friend circle, you should have your family circles, you should have your sports and dance and music and movies and dramas and everything. Okay. How many years will it take to complete the entire training process of IFS? For me, it will take like 1 more year basically, because Arabic course is like for 2 years, but then it depends upon the language. There are some languages which you finish in like 6 to 7 months, and then there are some languages which you finish in like 2 years. So it depends upon the language. Apart from Yojana and Kurukshetra, can you please suggest a monthly magazine? Apart from Yojana and Kurukshetra, why do you even need a monthly magazine? You are not even going to complete Yojana and Kurukshetra. So what I suggest is stick with very few materials, read them, understand them, revise them. How do you cover dynamic topics like economics? For one, economics has two parts. There is a static part and a dynamic part. The static part, you always have books, and for the dynamic part, you have the newspapers. How to prepare notes? For preparation of notes, I will prefer a digital copy, a digital notebook, note making. It can be e-notes or Evernotes or even a Word file. So divide the Word file based upon the topic, and whenever you find a topic that is similar to the one that you have already written about, do a keyword search and go to that particular page where you have written about this topic, add further to that topic, so that by the time you are going to write the examination, you will have a proper article upon that topic. How to choose an optional subject, I have already mentioned to you. Opportunities in defense service through UPSC. UPSC conducts a lot of examination basically. Uh, Out of that, only one examination is civil service examination. From civil service examination, you cannot go into a defense service, but there is a civilian part of defense service. That is, defense service like a defense account service is there, and defense establishment service is there. So there are a few, and there is also defense headquarters service. So there are a few services that are related to the civilian aspect and administrative aspects in defense service, but not the defense kind of defense service. After 12th, which course is best for IFS? There is nothing like that. Any course you can take, and the examination is again the same for everyone. It doesn't matter if you are going for IFS or IAS or IPS. It's the same examination, same questions. Kindly answer. Okay, wouldn't maths be ideal for engineering grads? Not everyone. It depends upon how much of liking you have towards maths and how much of syllabus you have covered during your engineering courses. How much time do you spend in a day? I have already answered. Not more than 5 6 hours. That's it. How much importance to language papers? Not very much importance. You just need to clear it. So just make sure that you have a decent ability in your regional language and English. That's all, nothing more. Can the duty assigned to a depends on a professional degree? No, it doesn't depend upon your professional degree at all. But sometimes your professional degree can help you in administration also. Simple. For example, now when there is a pandemic, if you are a district collector and if you have your academics and medical background, that will definitely help. But nothing more than that. Can we change the optional subject? Yes, you can change the optional subject. How did you develop the answer writing skill? Answer writing skill comes only with practice, because particularly for me, I am from engineering background. I never wrote answers. So for me, answer writing skill came with time. I had to practice. Simple. Means writing exam experience painful, because you will be writing for 6 hours continuously, so it is very painful. But like I said, you might be attempting a few mock exams before the actual examination, so you will get used to that. IFS post is 24-hour on call job. Every civil service posting is like a 24-hour on call job, because you are signing up for a service and you never know when somebody is in distress. So anytime you get a call, you will have to respond. Can I start preparation during my college time? Yes, definitely you can start your preparation. Which are the simple optional subject? There is nothing like simple. If there is a simple optional subject, then the entire aspirants would have chosen that simple optional subject, right? So there is nothing like that. As a beginner, എവിടുന്ന് തുടങ്ങണം പഠിക്കാൻ? I'll suggest start with NCRTs and the newspapers. How to tame mental tiredness and boredom. Have friends, go out, party with them, go out for movies, go have some sports, dance, music, whatever you like. That's how you counter the boredom. Is it necessary to go to civil service center and prepare? No, it is not necessary, but it is good that you have a study circle, a friends group. Improve my fluency in English. Any language, it comes only with practice. So if you want to improve the language, speak and speak. That is the only way. How can we prepare for coming prelims? Well, I cannot answer that because it depends upon your preparation strategy completely. Timetable to study as a beginner? I don't know. Again, it depends upon you. I never had a timetable in general, but like I said, I did have a timetable when it was examination time. Easiest and toughest parts of your preparation? Everything that is tough once becomes easy when you are used to it. Like I said, writing was difficult for me. Going back to the humanities subject was difficult for me. But once I got used to it, they all became easy and I started loving them all. And when did I come up with the idea of civil service? And my inspiration, I have already said to you, I was working in the corporate. That's when I got exposed to the idea of foreign service. For degree, which course should be selected? That's completely up to you. There is nothing like this will help civil service or anything like that. I'm working as an engineer. I can't leave my job now. How can I go with my preparation for the job? Time management is very important right now. You can devote a couple of hours every day, 1 or 2. I mean, 2 or 3 hours at least every day, because you are in your starting stage. And then weekly, in the weekends you can devote more time. That should help. And you can take online coachings if that is necessary. You can take online examinations if that is necessary. What about the portions of plus one and plus two might Yes, exactly. So you will have to cover those portions which the UPSC suggests. For example, UPSC is not asking you to have commerce, or UPSC is not asking you to go for detailed physics or chemistry. UPSC subjects are mostly humanity subjects like history, geography, etc. So these subjects you will have to study with plus one, plus two background. But for subjects like physics, chemistry, bio, etc., you don't have to go till plus one, plus two. Up to 10th is quite okay. What were the materials you used for preparation? I have already suggested NCRT materials to start with. And then for specific subjects, you can take one or two maximum specific books.
Sir, sir, based on the
Yes.
material, what was the material has used for your optional subject, Malayalam subject?
Malayalam, I will not give you any advice because I was very bad in that.
For the main examinations, there are political science and all other things for the studies, and in even for preparing for the optional,
Okay.
there are also geography and the same subjects which we are studying for the main examinations.
Okay.
And if we are taking that geography or any other subjects which are related to which we already write for the main exams, which will
See, they are very different. Like I said, your preparation for your optional is different from your preparation for GS.
okay.
So this will not be very helpful. I mean, if you like the subject, well, go ahead and take it, but don't take it thinking that this might be helping in GS also. So that is a different thing altogether.
Okay, so thank you.